Hey, I hope you like the little shot of some of my pieces of the past that I have around in my shop. Uh, it is at one windy day up here on the hill at Runaway Homestead. You might even be able to hear it blowing. Um, but I want to tell you something that I've done. 3 weeks ago today, I quit sugar. Um, I wanted to see how I would feel. And I cannot tell you the difference that I feel in my mobility, my joints, um, able to bend over. Um, just so different. Uh, I'm I'm not a lazy person. In the past several months, wintertime has a lot to do with it, I think. But I had no motivation to do the things I love to do. Um, my mind is so much clearer and sharper. I found myself at times looking at a project and almost thinking, what am I going to do now? When I should know that. And on top of the no sugar, I am doing intermittent fasting. So I'm fasting anywhere from 16 to 19 hours, and the rest of that 24-hour window is time that I eat. And I'm having 2 meals a day, and also in this 3 weeks time I'm down 11 pounds. But I think that's a combination of the weight loss with the sugar and the intermittent fasting. But I think the sugar is the biggest thing that I can feel a difference about myself. If you don't know about it, check out Dr. Eric Berg on YouTube. I'm gonna have to get my kids to teach me how to post a link on my videos. But I would really encourage you to give that a shot. At least knocking sugar out of your life and see how it makes you feel. With that, I'm out of here. I'm cutting a few things up here at the shop for trim work in the greenhouse. And more than anything, I wanted to share the deal about the sugar with you, that it's just huge difference. It's in so much stuff. It's so bad for our health. I remember as a kid, my mom, my grandmother would say, that's enough sugar for today. It's not the world we live in today, that's for sure. Anyhow, I hope this is a little bit of motivation for you to give that a try. And thanks so much for your time. It's really appreciated. So we will see you soon.